The official presentation of the Galaxy S26 Ultra is still a few months away, but leaks have already revealed enough information about the device. This model will be Samsung's next flagship and is intriguing with its almost confirmed details on design, camera, display, battery, processor, and price. Since the Galaxy S22 Ultra, Samsung had not made major changes to the rear camera design. The stylistic changes made in the S25 Ultra could not be called a fundamental innovation either. But with the S26 Ultra, the situation is changing. There will be noticeable progress both in design and technical aspects. The new model will be thinner than before. The thickness is expected to drop to around 7.8mm, compared to the S25 Ultra's 8.22mm. The phone will be lighter and will stand out as one of the thinnest flagships on the market. This means a more comfortable and elegant grip. The biggest changes will be seen in the rear design. Most attention has been directed to the development of the cameras. The 3x telephoto camera will be upgraded from 10 megapixel to 12 megapixel. The main sensor will still be 200 megapixel, but this time it will be equipped with a wider aperture. This will allow more light intake, improve low-light shooting capabilities, provide faster shooting, and deliver clearer photos. The 5x periscope camera will also have a wider aperture. As a result, even though megapixel numbers do not increase significantly, the S26 Ultra's camera performance will be much stronger than before. The device will again feature a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display, but this time it will come with COE technology. This panel will deliver higher brightness, a coating that reduces reflections, more accurate and vivid colors. It will also optimize energy consumption, which will improve battery life. Samsung will not increase battery capacity, but will retain the 5000 mAh battery. The main innovation is in charging speed. The S26 Ultra will now come with 60-watt fast charging support. This is a noticeable improvement compared to the previous 45-watt. The device will use the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 for Galaxy. This special version is more powerful than the standard models, with a high frequency of 4.74 GHz. Early tests show a performance increase of around 20 to 30%. It is reported that an Exynos version is not expected for this model. Due to the thin body and larger aperture lenses, the camera module will have a protrusion. Some concepts point to a protrusion similar to the Galaxy Fold 7 and S25 Edge. However, it is expected that Samsung will not make its flagship resemble mass models, and may either use a rectangular block housing the entire system, or bring back the much-loved S21 Ultra design. The Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be introduced in early 2026 and go on sale starting at $12.99. If you also love following the upcoming innovations in technology, subscribe to the channel to stay updated on such videos, and don't forget to like the video. See you in the next video.